Hello, I'm Lorena Schmidt, and I'm excited to introduce you to the handling of the VITO X-Series, your all-in-one solution for clean frying oil, extended oil life, and more efficient operations in large kitchens. Move the VITO next to your fryer or deep frying pan and lock the brakes. If needed, insert a new filter and close the lid. Now, just connect the VITO to the power supply, and we're ready to start. Press the power button and set the side lever to filter. You can also activate the heating function to keep the oil or fat in liquid form, and then we're ready to begin filtration. After suctioning the oil, you have a good opportunity to briefly clean the bottom of your pan. As you can see, the vacuum filtration collects all particles in the filter, making disposal easy. You can use each filter for up to 10 cycles, so it doesn't need to be replaced every time. You can now pump the filtered oil back into the pan or dispose of it. Position the lance back in your pan. Press return, and set the lever down slowly to regulate the oil flow. Once the oil is pumped back, set the side lever back to the filter position and press Filter Start. This allows any remaining oil to be suctioned from the lance, preventing drips. After filtration, unplug the device, wind up the cable, and place it aside until it's needed again the next day. Clean the filter as needed. If you'd like more detailed instructions, please check out our separate cleaning videos. If you have further questions or want to learn more about the series, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.